In this video, we look at this amazing new construction built using 3 shipping containers. This house is built using 2 20-foot containers and a 40-foot shipping container. The house layout assumes an L-shaped floor plan with a 40-foot container on one side joined at 90 degrees to create an L-shaped floor plan with an additional 20-footer comprising the first floor level. The project is comprising of adequate outdoor living spaces, including a fenced-off private courtyard and a big rooftop deck accessed via an external spiral staircase. The front entrance ushers you into a seamless and open-plan living space with a lounge on one end. We have a kitchen and a bathroom with additional space on the topmost level. This is a closer view of the kitchen. It is spacious and big enough with wooden countertops. We have stainless steel appliances. We have adequate storage cabinets both overhead and under the counter. We have a big glass window to light up the sink space, and this is a big farmhand sink. There's also a ceiling fan to enhance indoor thermal comfort. This is a closer view of a full height swing door which is double, opening onto the outdoor courtyard space directly from the living room. This is where we have the closet space. There's also a combined washer and dryer, and on the extreme end is the bathroom. This is a closer view of the daybed next to the window and with storage under the bed plus additional drawer space. There's also this beautifully designed shelf storage to provide additional storage space. There's also a ceiling fan and a wall light plus a task light next to the bed for reading or writing to enhance function and usage. This is a bigger view of the bed space from the closet space, showing a well-lit indoor space with shiplap ceiling and shiplap walling through and through. This is a closer view of the exit door to the external courtyard directly from this 20-footer that is joining at 90 degrees with the main shipping container. From here, there is an external steel staircase to access the upper story of the house. This is a view of the 20-footer from the rooftop deck, showing the full height sliding glass door, and they open directly and seamlessly between the 2 indoor and outdoor spaces. This is a view of the bathroom as I had indicated on this particular level. This is a bathtub with an amazing view of the neighborhood, whereby we have also this beautiful lighting that glow at night, creating an ambient and exciting feel as you stargaze in the tub during good weather. This is a view of the indoor space of the 20-footer on the upper level, showing an outdoor space with outdoor sitting area. This is a view of the fenced-off courtyard space accessed directly on the ground floor level to enhance indoor living. The general view of the house from the rear, and this additional space for storage. This is the general view of the property within the neighborhood. It is a beautiful setting with the forested area and greenery almost in every section, with easy access from the main road. A closer view of the outdoor space showing the spiral staircase joining the upper level of the house. We have an outdoor dining space which is nicely landscaped with cobblestone and steps to access the undulating landscaped area around the building. This is the general frontal view of the house showing the main entrance and the upper level of the project. What do you like about this amazing shipping container house? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. The house retains the original corrugated container walls on the outside, celebrating the industrial style of the design. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. This amazing project is listed for sale on contract. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.